So far, the best electric scooter in India is Ather 450X due to its performance and innovation. But now, Ola and Simple One electric scooter comes into picture, and they started an interesting competition. So in this video, we will compare three of these electric scooters and which one is the best in this. So welcome back to Electric Vehicles channel, my dear friends. I am Krishna Chaitanya Mandela. So firstly, let's start with the warranty on these battery packs, because most of the viewers are asking for the battery warranty on these electric scooters. So Ather Energy is offering 3 years of warranty or unlimited kilometers of battery warranty. Now coming to Ola electric scooter, the company is offering 3 years or 40,000 kilometers of warranty on its battery pack, whichever comes first. So you might ask for the proof. Here is a proof of Ola electric scooter battery warranty. One of the subscriber asked the question to Ola support team and they have replied. So this is the proof for you. And now coming to Simple One electric scooter, the founder announced that the battery warranty for Simple One electric scooter is 3 years, and they didn't mention whether it is unlimited kilometers warranty or any terms and conditions in the kilometers. So in terms of battery warranty, Ather Energy is still good in terms of unlimited battery warranty. And now coming to the second thing, it's the certified range. Ather 450X certified range is 116 kilometers. Ola S1 certified range is 121 kilometers. Ola S1 Pro certified range is 181 kilometers, whereas Simple One electric scooter certified range is 236 kilometers. But now the important thing, it's a real range. So certified range is not the range you will get in the real range condition. So the real range offered by Ather 450X is 85 kilometers, and Ola S1 the real range will be 85 to 95 kilometers, and Ola S1 Pro the real range will be around 140 to 150 kilometers, whereas Simple One they mentioned their real range as 203 kilometers. And the next thing, it's about the top speed of these electric scooters. Ather 450X top speed is 90 km per hour, and Ola S1 top speed is 90 km per hour. Ola S1 Pro top speed is 115 km per hour, and Simple One electric scooter top speed is 105 km per hour. And a point to be noted that all these three electric scooter comes with regenerative braking. And now coming to the battery capacity, Ather 450X offering 2.9 kilowatt hour lithium ion battery pack. It is a fixed battery pack, and Ola S1 the battery pack is 2.98 kilowatt hour. It is a fixed battery pack, and Ola S1 Pro the battery capacity is 3.97 kilowatt hour. It is a fixed battery pack. And finally, Simple One is offering two battery packs. One is a fixed one and one is a detachable battery pack. So the complete battery capacity is 4.8 kilowatt hour. And now here comes the interesting point, the acceleration part. Ather 450X can accelerate 0 to 40 km per hour in 3.3 seconds, and the Ola S1 acceleration from 0 to 40 km per hour is 3.6 seconds, and Ola S1 Pro the acceleration from 0 to 40 km per hour is 3 seconds, and Simple One claims to have 0 to 40 km per hour acceleration in 2.95 seconds. And the next thing, it's about the peak power. Ather 450X peak power is 6 kilowatt, and Ola S1 Pro and Simple One electric scooter claims to have a peak power of 8.5 kilowatt. And the next thing, it's about the rated power of these electric scooters. Ather 450X rated power is 3.3 kilowatt. Ola S1 and Ola S1 Pro motor capacity is 5.5 kilowatts, whereas Simple One the motor capacity is 4.5 kilowatts. But the real innovation lies in the efficiency of these motors. For example, Ather 450X used just a 3.3 kilowatt of rated power motor to achieve 0 to 40 km per hour in just 3.3 seconds, whereas Ola and Simple One used additional motor power. Ola has used another 2.2 kilowatts of motor, and Simple One has used another 1.2 kilowatts of motor to reach this 0 to 40 km per hour in 3 seconds and 2.95 seconds. So still Ather 450X is good in terms of innovation, where they have used less motor power to get a quicker acceleration. And here comes the charging time. Ather 450X with a slow charger 5 hours 45 minutes, and Ola S1 with a slow charger 4 hours 48 minutes, and Ola S1 Pro with a slow charger 6 hours 30 minutes, and Simple One they have claimed to have 4 hours of charging time with a slow charger. Now coming to the fast charging time, Ather 450X claims that 1.5 kilometers per every minute of charge, whereas Ola S1 and Ola S1 Pro claims to have 50% of charge in just 18 minutes, that too with a hyper fast charging network, and Simple One claimed to have 2.5 kilometers per every minute. But the problem here with fast charging is the more you use the fast charging, the more chances to have battery degradation. Now the next very important thing, it's about the build quality of these three electric scooters. Ather 450X having an advantage that they are already in the market from last 3 years in the form of Ather 450, and they are upgraded to Ather 450X, and their customers shared the positive response for their build quality of the vehicle. Whereas Ola electric scooter and Simple One, we need to hope for they need to provide some good quality. Definitely they will provide some good quality material, but still Ather 450X has an advantage of early mover advantage. And now coming to the service centers of the showrooms, Ather 450X already being entered into some of the tier cities in India. So they are already started. But whereas Ola mentioned that they don't want to offer these showrooms, they only started few of the experience centers. Even the service also they need to book through online. Who are the customer, they need to book for the service, and they will offer the door-to-door service. But on the other side, Simple One said they will also start the showrooms options. Now coming to the features offered in these three electric scooters, all these three electric scooters comes with a 7-inch touchscreen dashboard, so everybody can navigate the Google Maps, everything is offering there. So there is not much difference between. And out of these three electric scooters, Ola electric scooter and Ather 450X already mentioned that they are coming with a reverse mode option, whereas Simple One is yet to clarify about the reverse mode option. Now coming to the cruise control, Ather 450X not offering the cruise control, and even in Ola electric scooter only Ola S1 Pro comes with a cruise control. That is the main reason they are pricing high for the Ola S1 Pro. And Simple Energy is unclear about the cruise control. Some statements they said they are offering a cruise control, some statement they said they are unclear about it. So still Simple One is unclear about the cruise control option. And finally the important thing, it's about the pricing of these three electric scooters. Ather 450X pricing is 1,44,500 rupees in Bengaluru, and Ola S1 the pricing is 1 lakh rupees ex-showroom price, and 1,30,000 rupees for the Ola S1 Pro, and 1,10,000 rupees for the Simple One electric scooter. And here comes the final conclusion. Ather 450X is already proven electric scooter, and the customers are satisfied with this scooter. But the problem with Ather 450X is a little expensive compared with Ola electric scooter. There is almost 44,500 rupees of difference in between Ola S1 and Ather 450X. For Ola S1 Pro, there is almost 15,000 rupees of difference. And the big question here, or the viewers are thinking that Ather Energy might reduce the pricing of the vehicle. But I don't think Ather Energy will reduce the price on Ather 450X, because Ather Energy claim that they are the Tesla of India. And Tesla don't want to compromise on the pricing because they offer the good qualities. So Ather Energy is still in a dilemma. They can't reduce the pricing, and also they need to look out for the competition right now. Within next 2 months, Ola electric scooter comes on road. And I am coming to the next point, it's about the deliveries. Ather 450X is already available in the market, whereas Ola electric scooter, they mentioned that they will deliver the vehicle by October. And here one interesting point here is Ola Electric said they will deliver on October, but they might deliver hundreds of units, or they can deliver thousands of units of deliveries. But it is unclear. Even if they deliver 100 scooters also, they are satisfying the point we are delivering the electric scooter in October. So that point they need to clarify. And the second thing, it's about the Simple One. They said the delivery dates on January 2022. So there is a long delivery date time for Simple One electric scooter. So that's a complete comparison between Ather 450X, Simple One and Ola electric scooter. But one thing is clear, we cannot judge Ola or Simple One electric scooter with Ather 450X based on the specifications factor, because electric scooters we can give a final judgment only after we ride the vehicle, after the performance, what are the problems you have faced after 4 to 5 months of usage. But hoping Ola and Simple One give a tough competition for Ather 450X. Go green, go electric.